everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we want to learn how to make a standard button hole. What we need in this tutorial is the fabric that you want to create the button hole. As you can see, this is the fabric I'm using for this tutorial. You need your tape. The purpose of the tape is to measure where you want to create the buttonhole. You need your buttonhole pressure foot. Can you see? This is your buttonhole pressure foot. These are the different buttons that I want to use demonstrating how to create a buttonhole. And this is our seam ripper and our chalk, tailor's chalk as well. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the tutorial. So before we start, there are some things that I need to show you. On the machine, you will see this particular sign. Can you see? It looks like a button. So that is the stitch, the button stitch. This is the one that we are making use of on my machine. This is number 12. So I will just press that one. That is stitch 12, which is for the button hole. This other end, there is a button there. So this is the end that you will fix the button that you want to use. So just this part is adjustable. You can adjust it to fit any size of button that you want to use. So you just carry your button and put in here, then adjust it for you to fit the button. Let it tight the button. Can you see? I have fixed my button in there. So the next thing now will be for me to carry it and fix on my machine. Can you see? I have fixed it on my machine. So on my machine, I have this other drop down. Can you see it has, let me lower now. Can you see the drop down has a button sign as well, like the sign that we saw on the machine earlier. So what I will do, this sign, this drop down will be in between these two. Can you see these two, should I call it points, in between this point of my foot? Can you see? So I'm going to leave it that way. The next thing will be for me to carry my fabric, mark the different points that I want to create the buttonhole. Can you see? Then I will start sewing. I will start sewing now. So let's get started. Can you see? When it gets here, this one will return it back. Can you see? So now that one. So now the machine has finished the first buttonhole. So I will cut it out. Cut this as well. So let's move to the second position. I have cut it. I didn't know that my video was not shooting. So I move it to the second position. All over my foot, I will start sewing. So what I will do now is to cut my thread. After cutting my thread, for it to look neat, I will carry this remaining part of the thread that I cut. I'll carry my needle. Can you see my needle? I will thread this 2 thread and take it to the wrong side of the fabric. Then I will tie it and cut. You can decide to cut it here, but it won't really look neat. So for you to have neat finishing, you just thread. So I have thread my needle. Can you see? Then I will hold it. I'll just put it here. Take it out. Can you see? Then on this other part, I will tie it. Then I will cut it. Can you see? Can you see how neat my buttonhole looks? So let's go. Let's do it again. Can you see the machine will tie the thread on its own? Can you see the machine will tie the end of it on its own? So for the last one, using this particular thread, so I will still do the same thing. I will thread my needle, then cut it out, then cut it inside. This is another button size. So I'll remove my button, then I will fix this other big one. Let's see how that will go. Can you see? If you have a big button, then you have to give enough space. one more for this other button, then you will try another button. So let's try this other button. Okay. So after sewing the buttonhole, the next thing is to use your seam ripper. Then open up your bottom. Can you see? Remember, this is the one that we use this other button. Can you see? We do same for this other one. Can you see? Then do same for all of them. Can you see? I've opened this up already. So use your seam ripper to open the buttonhole. Can you see how neat the buttonhole looks? This is the inside. Can you see how neat it looks? So one of the tips that you need to know, you need to interface your fabric so that it will have stability, which is very important to create your buttonhole. Also, make sure that you are careful when opening the buttonhole. So thank you so much guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and share our video so that others can learn as well, and subscribe to our channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be first to be notified whenever I upload new video. See you on our next tutorial. Bye bye.